This question says complete oxidation of propan 2-ol yields. Now the source you should know, we have primary alkanol, secondary alkanol, and tertiary alkanol. How do we know them? Now you know this is general representation of alkanols. Now see something. How do we identify primary alkanol, and how do we identify secondary alkanol and tertiary alkanol? You know this is the central carbon, the alpha carbon, because of what? This is OH is attached to it. So this is the main carbon here. You understand? So if we have, you know, this is the alkyl group. This is the alkyl group. So we have here H here, we have H here. So this is a primary alkanol. Why is it primary alkanol? It has just one alkyl group and two hydrogen atoms attached to the central carbon. Note, I was specific, attached to the central carbon. Then we now have this. What do you observe? This to the central carbon, this is what? One hydrogen attached to the central carbon and two alkyl groups or aryl groups attached to the central carbon. So this is a secondary alkanol. The essence of this is we want to know whether propan 2-ol is primary or secondary alcohol. Then the last one is this tertiary alkanol. This tertiary alkanol. Now, there's something you should know. Oxidation of this will give us alkanol. That's partial oxidation. While complete oxidation will give us alkanoic acid. So oxidation will give us, let me put oxidation here, will give us what? This is alkanol. While the complete will give us ROCOOH. Why for secondary alkanol? The oxidation will give us, let me put the oxidation, the oxygen. You know this oxygen came from potassium heptazodichromate 6, sorry. So it will give us ROCOR, alkanol. This one, no oxidation will occur here. Do you understand? No oxidation will occur here. So now, let's attack this question properly now. Let's know where it belongs to. They said prop. Prop is what? The root. Prop is 3 carbon. So we'll do first 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. They say propan 2-ol. 2-ol. What it means is that the OH is in position 2. That's carbon 2. That's where the OH is. So the OH is here. That's all. So you close the terminals. 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. This one here, hydrogen. This one here, hydrogen. This one here, hydrogen. This one here, hydrogen. Now look at this thing now. Here like this now. This is CH3. This is what? R. I'm proving something. See here. This is central carbon. How do you know central carbon? The one that OH is attached to. OH is here. Then there's hydrogen here. Now, how many alkyl groups are here? one alkyl group, second alkyl group attached to the central carbon atom. So when I say, so this is a secondary alkanol. So it will be oxidized to what? Alkanol. And so let's oxidize it. Let's oxidize it. Let's see what it will give us. See, if we oxidize it, look at what it's going to take. Because we are going to add this to it. Oxygen that came from K2Cr2O7, a strong oxidizing agent. It donated the oxygen for us. So look at what it's going to do. It's going to take this. This oxygen is going to take these two hydrogen. It will now give us CH3 C CH3 plus these two H2O. Where is this O? This O came from here. Do you understand? So now, look something. You notice that there's one bond here. And you see, how did it end up with two bonds? You have to balance it. Let's check the octet structure of this carbon if it's balanced. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's balanced. If you do it one chain, it will not be balanced. It will be 6 electrons. So now the name of this is what? Propanone. Now let's condense this. You know, this is the structure formula. Let's condense this actually. So in the condensed form, this is what? CH3 COCH3. Let's look, which option is that? Option B. Option B is correct. So please, our organic chemistry workshop is coming very soon, and we're going to explain everything in organic chemistry from the top to the bottom, and there will be video tutorials too to back it up. We're starting from the scratch. You learn how to name organic compounds, you know how to oxidize them, you know how to also reduce them. Do you understand? You also learn how to do addition reactions. Thank you and God bless you.